Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Amazon handbag unboxing. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla and on this channel I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, so I picked up this handbag from Amazon and I actually contemplated doing this unboxing because normally my unboxings are of luxury handbags. So like Louis Vuitton handbags, YSL, those kinds of handbags. But I also wanted to show you that those are not the only handbags that I use. Like I purchase handbags from everywhere. Yes, I love designer handbags, but sometimes I don't mind like an affordable handbag, especially if it does a great job and it fits me well. Once again, this is from Amazon and I believe it was $31.99. I'll have this handbag linked down below if you want to check it out. But yes, this is the handbag. Comes with this, I guess you would call it a dust bag, but this is the handbag, and this is actually way more beautiful in person. It's like this, can you see? It's like this bronzish metallic bag, and then it has this gold hardware right here. It's not like, you can definitely tell that this is not like a designer piece. Like you could tell by when you squeeze it. However, it's pretty sturdy for 40 bucks, I believe it was. And the best part about this bag is that it came with multiple bags. So it came with this cute little crossbody bag right here. And this is the strap for this bag. And then inside this bag was this cute little wallet. But I guess you can put pictures in here if you wanted. But it comes with this cute little wallet right here. And I love this metallic look right here. It's like this greenish color against the bronze. It's just really beautiful. Like I said, guys, this is not like a designer bag. You can tell, like, this is pretty flimsy. So yeah, this is that bag. And I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but it's kind of a little bit dented right here. Like, it's not really bad. If you fill it in like that, like you could probably see right there how it completely goes away. So this bag and the little wallet came with this bag. So you've got 3 items already for less than 40 bucks. And then this cute little clutch. Oh my God, it looks even better in person. It also comes with this little band to make it like a wristlet, like that. I actually really like this. I am loving this item. Love, love, love it. And then this is the actual handbag. It's like a beautiful size. It's similar to like, how can I compare this size? Maybe to like the Neverfull MM. This is pretty similar to the Neverfull MM. But this bag is so pretty. I love this color. And how nice is that shape? Like, it's perfect. The size is perfect. And it has the beautiful studs on the bottom to put the bag down without damaging it. And then this is the inside of the bag. It has a zip here. And then it has 2 pockets right here. And then this is just the opening. It's lined. And yeah, I actually really like this. This is a quick unboxing. There really wasn't much to this. And yeah, I like the bag. And I loved the price. Once again, I'm going to have this bag linked down below if you like how this bag looks. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please like down below and also comment. Please remember to count your blessings and be grateful. Also remember to subscribe. Until next time.